So hello everybody, I am going to teach you how to do this simple, cute Christmas holiday card with some Christmas looking beads, white copy paper, and some glue, and maybe a little bit of red paint. Okay, so I am going to take this white, got plenty of the glue on the paper. Okay, once it's on there, you're going to take your beads or glitter or whatever you have. I had beads, and you're going to put them on the glue area. Putting them on the glue. Make sure that it is covered with the beautiful beads. Once it is covered, you can pick up and get the rest of them off. And you have a cute green wreath or a cute Christmas tree. Whatever pattern you want to do. I am going to take some of my red paint, and I am just going to put drops of it here and there on my wreath part to give it a little bit of color other than green. And I might just put a cute little simple bow. On that one. And then I'm going to give this Christmas tree a beautiful red tree skirt. And I'm going to continue to do that on my other two. I'll be right back. And voila, here are some simple Christmas cards to give to family and friends. You can even make these with your kiddos to give to their teachers.